Now we use the trolley-type lightning protection vacuum circuit breaker as the test object to test the loop-resistant tester. First, we connect the lines as required. Connect the power cable and the ground wire. Then the thick test wire connect to the large terminal, the C1 to the small terminal. The thick wire is for output current, the C1 is for the sampling voltage. Wiring at the circuit breaker side, the large clip clamped at the end of the vacuum circuit breaker and the black large clip connected to the lower end. The small clip is for taking the signal voltage. It is clipped in between the large clip and the circuit breaker. Better to be closer to the circuit breaker. Small black clipper collects the same way. When testing the contact resistance, first of all, we must ensure that the switch is in the closed state. Now it is the open state. You will let it store energy and then turn it on after storing energy. When testing the contact resistance, it must be in the closed state. Otherwise, it cannot be measured properly. It is not connected. After connecting the line, open the machine. Boot interface. We choose 108 test current. The test time is 5 seconds by default. The output current of the test is 101.99 amps. Resistance is 53.27 microohms and can print it out. The factory standard of this vacuum circuit breaker is that the conductive resistance should be less than 65 microohms. The result we measure is 53, which proves that the circuit breaker is qualified. Thank you for watching the operation video prepared by Hipot Tester.